Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. I'd like to introduce you to this project. This is my drawing and watercolor painting a snail project that was designed especially for kids. You do not have to have any drawing or painting experience at all to be successful with this project. I'd like to go over the supplies and the materials that you will need for this project. The first thing that you'll need is paper. I like to use a watercolor paper. If you have that available to you, go ahead and use that. You'll need some watercolor paints. You will need a paintbrush. You will need some clean water inside of a bowl or a cup. You will need either a crayon or an oil pastel, preferably a darker one. I use an oil pastel because I like the nice thick dark line. You'll need a paper towel and you'll need a mat to keep your workspace nice and tidy and clean. I am looking forward to teaching you this lesson. Let's get started. Alrighty friends, in the first step what we're going to do is we are going to draw our snail. So we're going to make a shape that looks like this. We'll start at the left side, almost to the end but not quite. And we're going to make a line, and then we're going to make a curve, and then we're going to come back just like this. So it's almost like a slug shape. After we make our slug shape, then what we're going to do is we're going to put a really big letter C on the back of our slug shape, like this. So if you turned it to the side, it would be a C. All right, then starting in the middle, we're going to make a swirl. So you just go around and around without letting the line touch any other part of the line. And once your line gets really big, then you just stop like this. All right, so mine stopped down here at the bottom. Yours might stop somewhere else. If it stops over here, no problem. All right, after we have our body to our snail and after we have our shell, we're going to make some grass, and I'm just going to make some grass. It's not going to be super straight, but I'm going to make it across like this. And then I'm going to make some eyes. And the way that you make snail eyes is you make just straight lines with some circles at the top, and then you make some little dots inside. And I'm going to make a nice big mouth like this. So that would be a U with a line closing up at the top like this, a big old smile on my snail. All right, for the background, I'll put some grass here. If you can think of something else that you'd like to put for your background, go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll put some clouds. But you can put anything really. You can put some flowers, you can put a rainbow, you can put whatever you want. Alrighty friends, and that's it. There's our snail. When we come back, we will start painting. I'll see you back here in just a minute. Alrighty friends, in this step what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint my snail. So I'm going to choose two different colors for the shell of my snail, and then I'm going to paint his body brown. So I'm going to start out with that brown, and before I do anything, however, I am going to put a drop of water into each of my pans of paint, and what this does is it loosens up the paint a little bit, it dissolves it a little bit, so that when you do use it, it's all ready to go. So I'm going to put one drop of water in each pan of paint, and that'll start getting the paint ready for me to use. Alrighty, so I'm going to start here at the shell, and I'm just going to start painting, putting a little bit of paint on here, and I'm going to have a combination of blue and green. So I want to make sure that I have a lot of paint on here and I have a lot of water. So I'm just going to go around, I'm going to spiral around with my green, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some blue in after I spiral with my green. Alrighty friends, so I'm back. I finished my shell and I finished the body of my snail. Now I'm going to add a little bit of color to the mouth, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of red to the mouth. I don't think that snails really have red on their mouths, but because this is a cartoon, I get to choose whatever colors I'd like to use. Alright, so I'm going to let this dry for just a couple of minutes because as you can see, the paint is spreading around, it's doing its thing. That's the nature of watercolor paints. That's what it loves to do. So I'm going to give it a couple minutes to dry. And when we come back, I will be painting the background. So I'll see you back here in just a minute. Alrighty friends, I'm back. My painting has dried a little, not completely, but that's okay, dried enough. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to paint the sky. I'm going to paint it yellow. I know that real skies are not normally yellow, but I thought that in this painting it would be cool to have a yellow sky. Remember, this is your artwork, so you get to paint it whatever color you want. All right, I think I'm going to paint the grass green and the sky yellow. So I'm going to get started on that. I'm going to start with my yellow. I'll start at the top, and I want my color to be really, really bright. So keep in mind, when you are applying paint, if you put more paint onto your paintbrush and less water, then your color will be stronger. It will be a stronger color. It will be a darker color. And that's what I'm looking for this particular sky. I want it to be a really dark and vibrant yellow. So I'm just going to speed up this video while I paint the background. You can either watch me or you can get started on your own painting. I'll see you back here in just a minute. Alrighty friends, I'm back and I'm finished with my snail. I think he looks really cool. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.